pronunciation. Why is it so important? The sounds of vowels and consonants in Spanish almost never change. So basically, if you know how to properly pronounce each sound, you can figure out how any word is supposed to sound, and also it helps you when you're listening to Spanish because you can understand what words are being said as well. In this video, we're only going to talk about the sounds of the vowels, or las vocales. These sounds pretty much never change, ever. When it comes to pronunciation, this is the backbone of the Spanish language. In fact, I would go as far as to say that mastering the pronunciation of the vowels is the most important foundational step in learning Spanish. Well, what are the vowel sounds in Spanish? Well, just like in English, we have 5 vowel sounds: a, e, I, o, and u. Let's look at some examples of how to use these vowel sounds in actual words. First, let's look at this word. Now, in English we would say chocolate, but in Spanish we would say chocolate, chocolate. Then we have this word, vacaciones, vacaciones. Properly pronouncing your vowels is the most important step to making your words sound more Spanish. That's all for this video. Until next time, peace.